Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on building a voice-enabled application using the Picovoice platform. Today we'll create a Node.js application that recognizes the wake word computer and processes a command. In our case, we'll be looking at creating beverages. First, download Node.js if you haven't already, and sign up or log in to the Picovoice console and grab your access key. Next, you're going to want to create a new folder for your project, initialize a new npm project, and install the necessary dependencies. I've already done this, but to do so, you just want to open up your terminal, navigate to the project folder, and run the following commands to set up the project, as well as install Picovoice, as well as the PV Recorder modules. Now you're going to want to go to the Picovoice console and create a new Rhino context named replicator. I've done this one already, so I'm just going to name the new one rep. Import a new YAML by adding the intent and define slots for flavor and temperature. Train the model, download the RHN file, and place it into your project directory. Now you're going to want to open index.js and start by importing the necessary modules. This includes Picovoice, Porcupine, and PV Recorder. We will also want to define the path to the file that we downloaded earlier. Next, we create the callback functions. The Porcupine callback will handle the wake word detection. When the wake word computer is detected, it will log the detection and prompt for the beverage choice. The Rhino callback will handle the inference results. It will log the inference results and return to the listening for the wake word. Initialize Picovoice by providing your access key to the paths to the ppn and RHN files and the callback functions. This setup will ensure that Picovoice can detect the wake word and process the follow-on command. Initialize PV Recorder by specifying the device index and frame length. This setup will allow you to record from your microphone. Create a function to start the recording process. In this function, start the recorder and enter into an infinite loop to continuously read the audio frames. Pass these frames to Picovoice for processing. Handle any errors that might occur and ensure the recorder and Picovoice instances are properly released when the script finishes. Run the script using the command node index.js. After the wake word is detected, say, computer, what kind of beverage, a flavor, and then a temperature, and watch as the application processes your command. So let's try it out. Computer, how are you? Computer, tea, Earl Grey, hot. And just like that, you successfully created a voice-enabled application using Picovoice and Node.js. If you're interested in building more complex voice assistants, don't forget to visit picovoice.ai and check out our other offerings.